Hi guys, Precious here for AskFa.ng and welcome to another episode of How To. Today I'll be showing you how to check if your microwave has a radiation leak. Now if it does have a radiation leak, it could cause cataract, could affect the testes if you're a man, and it could even lead to skin damage. Your microwave is not supposed to have radiation leak, so today I will show you how to check if it does. Stay tuned. So the very first step is you get a phone and put inside the microwave. But you have to take note of two things. The microwave heat shouldn't be turned on, and then it should only be connected to power. It should be connected to power but shouldn't be turned on. Now, I will close the microwave and go to the next step. Get another phone and then try to call the phone in the microwave. Now if the phone in the microwave rings, there's a big problem. So I'll just get onto doing that. So here goes nothing. Okay, so I'm trying. And as you can see, the phone. So as you saw, the phone didn't ring. It's not supposed to ring, and if it does, you have a serious problem. So that's about it. That's all the steps you have to check if your microwave has a radiation leak. So basically, that's the entire process. Make sure you check if your microwave has a radiation leak, and if it does, please do something about it. Call somebody to come and look at it, a technician, or if it's on warranty, you can ask your products provider. So that will be the end of it. Thank you for staying tuned, and I'll see you on another episode of How To. Bye.